Now we are here for the final gauntlet. Let's begin, starting with the first hybrid to ever appear on screen, the Indominus Rex. Look at her.
There was a time where I had nothing but respect for the great minds behind this hybrid. The research it required, the careful genetic splicing of so many exaggerated predator characteristics. Now I respect its creators far less, but the Indominus Rex itself still demands awe.
My favorite movie hybrid ever, the Indoraptor.
The Indoraptor. This is a hybrid predator that is as much weapon as dinosaur. I have to question why it exists at all, but at least it's under our care. Have your guard up at all times around this animal.
The Scorpius Rex, my all-time favorite anomaly in the Jurassic universe.
We are pleased to welcome an Indoraptor to the park.
I love the way it sounds too. A fan favorite, as always, the Spinoraptor. Of course, as before mentioned, we're releasing in 3 batches. Hence why we have, or we're going to have 9 Spinoraptors and only 3 of the Scorpius Rex. One of the newest additions.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are pleased to welcome a Scorpius Rex to the park.
Give him a second. There it is. The Distortus Rex.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are pleased to welcome a Spinoraptor to the park.
Into the arena it goes. Another interesting addition into this game. None other than the Mutodon. We'll see how it fares.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Place your bets, because the fight will begin. 3, 2, 1. Click. Yep, both of them are fighting. Both of you are fighting. Did you just kill it? You just killed one of your own. Oh my. You did get a bite in, so that's good for you. But, and whack. That's a death right there. Which one of the Distortus were you? You were the weak one? Oh. The weak Spinoraptor versus the weaker Scorpius. What's gonna happen here? A stalemate? Yep, a stalemate. Y'all are just standing still. And you were killed from poison. Okay, well we're gonna deactivate this. Yeah, you're killing your own. Why is the question? Indoraptor versus Indominus. And these are the 2 strongest of each species. It took out the strongest Indominus. Scorpius versus Distortus. Oh. The Distortus has been poisoned and it's at 50 health. This is the weakest one. It was killed instantly.
Hunting in groups requires these animals to both
They're hunting
communicate
it?
and coordinate their actions. Amazing. And yes,
The
a little
Mutodons
terrifying.
hunt together? What? That is terrifying. It's dead. Y'all killed it. As a team? You annihilated it. I didn't even see it. You annihilated it so bad I couldn't even see it.
Transportation underway.
Oh,
Has been collected.
strongest of both sides. The Indoraptor gets the first hit. The Spinoraptor gets its own hit. The Spinoraptor is still gonna, yep, it's gonna run away. Good thing that it did run away. Excuse me. I need you this way. Could you return back to everyone else? Spinoraptor versus Scorpius. Who's gonna get the first hit? No one. They ran away. The Mutodons are still panicking because of the poison, I assume. Go on. Ooh. Distortus versus Spinoraptor. And that animation didn't work at all. Distortus, this one is fighting the other. Maybe we'll get to actually see a good animation. No. That's sad. Sir, you're not supposed to fly away. Alright, Spinoraptor versus Indoraptor. A battle between raptors. If you don't run, you're undoubtedly dead here.
Transportation underway.
And it runs. If the Mutadons remain after one of these is decided, I'm just going to tranquilize all of them, put them in the new dome, and then we'll let the victor be decided inside that dome. Oh, you're hunting it! That's a very buggy fight going on with the Indoraptor over there. The hunt failed. And you're retreating from fighting the Indoraptor. The Distortus is dying. Substantially. Are you still hunting it? No, y'all backed away. You're dead. Because of the poison. Yo, they're both dead. Both the Distortus Rex are dead. Which leaves the Indoraptor and the Scorpius Rex to fight, since the Mutadons are constantly flying away. Oh, there's the fight. We're going to pause it real quick so that I can quickly end this task right here. Alright. Damn! It's one heck of a kick. So far, it's not looking good for you, Scorpius. Laceration. Capture mode. Let's see what we got here. They're both relatively injured, but the Indoraptor takes the kill, as expected. A weapon it is indeed.